What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and today you'll want one of these palettes that have like all like the highlighter and all that stuff, like with all this. And I'm not going to do any eyeshadow because I'm very bad at it, but I love doing this color like palette. So you do a little bit of this, like this. You just go up like this. You basically want to look like a newborn baby. Yeah, I'm just joking. It's from like one of those like shorts. So, as long as you look like a newborn baby, they're willing to meet with you. I am Paul, so I have this makeup brush and this. So I'm trying to make good content for you guys, but I only have 41 subscribers. But please tell your family to subscribe, because if you guys subscribe, I'll do more awesome videos like this. I feel like this might get a lot of views because makeup is like all over the place on YouTube. Probably want to look like brown, so yeah, but if you don't want to blend, that's okay, but I usually do blend, so because it does look kind of weird up top. You can't really see, like there's a lot of brown up there, so yes, this is the full look, like for not right now, but like blending, I use this highlighter. It's like the lighter highlighter, so use always the lighter hair color with a highlighter. Always use the lighter one. Oh gosh. So yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do any lives, because I know I see I know you guys see my face a lot, but like live streaming is not really my thing. Like I do like makeup tutorials, and oh my gosh, I look fabulous. Turn on the lights so you guys can see how I look right now. I just want to do like contour. Want to do contour, then brightener, or highlighter, and then highlighter again, or contour again. So basically, contour, brightener, contour, highlighter. So like this. Like this. You can just watch, okay? And then some blush from what we are. I'm from Wisconsin, I'll be Jane. Oh, well, then tell me it's with you. So long as I'm looking at the back. Yeah, I love that, like, short. And then, yeah, I gotta brush my palette off because it's looking nasty. I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna look that. I know I said that I wasn't gonna do it, but I have to. I can't resist. I'm sorry. If I can prove. Yeah, I have this, and I'm gonna use this color. Yeah, I do like 2 pumps. No, more like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it should look like this. when like 2 pounds, and they usually look good when 2. Okay. There's makeup all over my eyelashes. I look like a zombie. Yep. I know this is happening. Helping. Oh, what if I like try to get that out? I don't know if it will help, but oh, it's working. If you guys like my style, please like and subscribe. I'll have more videos like this, and please like and subscribe. Like I told you, like the first half of the video, that I'll do more awesome videos if you guys like and subscribe, more epic videos. And thank you guys so much. I know that my umbrella, my Bubbles song didn't come out. Under my bubbles. That's why I'm going to be posted next Saturday. So I'll see you guys next Saturday, and I love you guys so much. Mwah, huh? And no, Friday. I'll post it Friday for you guys. Mwah, and I love you guys so much. And be part of the Omnia Squad. Oh, I forgot. Change. Final touch. Look like this. Ta-da. And thank you guys. I'll see you Friday. And you guys might see a new member of the Omnia Squad. Unless if she wants to do it. But I don't know, my mom and dad might have to approve it. Who knows? So to her as well then. Bye guys. I love you guys all, and thank you guys for watching. Da, 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 da. Woo.